rippers on popular. Where we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will remember Zion. Do up, 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 do up.
ตามมาเลยอยากฮักถ้าไม่ได้เกียร์ก็ยินดีที่จะไปส่งเกินตามมาเลยไม่ต้องทำเป็นงงนานๆคนสวยต้องมองนานๆมองนานๆคนสวยต้องมองนานๆ
Once I throw in this out, wow, wow, what you gonna say? You act like you gon' leave, but I know that you gon' stay.
Happy birthday, Naidungo. God bless you always. Stay what you are. Ingat lagi. Love, love. Sana huwag kang magbago. Alam kong andyan ka lagi para sa tupang love your day. Love you, Nay.
Doing happy birthday, more birthdays to come, more candles to blow. Enjoy your day, wish you in a good health always, and alam ko hindi mo talaga totaling na-enjoy yung birthday mo, but always remember, nandito kaming mga kaibigan mo na nasa tropang handang makinig kung ano man yung problema mo. Basta ituloy mo lang kung ano yung mga nasimulan mo. Lagi mong iisipin na nandyan pa yung mga anak mo, apo mo na nagmamahal sa'yo. And enjoy, then always pray to God kasi siya lang talaga yung malalapitan natin lagi sa lahat ng sakuna na dumadating sa buhay natin. Basta Ate Wing, wishing you all the best, and once again, happy birthday. Love lots and miss you so much. Love you, Ate Wing.
Hello, Ate Weng. Happy birthday. I wish you all the lifetime full of smiles, love, and happiness, which is you deserve, Ate Weng. And I pray also to God that He will grant you a good health and your family. He will give you strength and also your family, that whatever challenges comes into your life will overcome to it, and sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay ay makamit mo. And stay humble and kind, ate. Sana wag kang magbago, and I hope you're gonna enjoy your day today, and happy birthday ulit. God bless, take care always. Thank you so much.
Araw na to ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan, kailanman. Lahat ng bago sa